Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to create your own website. In this video, I will share with you how to create a website in Hostinger Builder, how to use Hostinger Builder to build your website, how to set up a blog, and also an online store. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites. And click on this Add Website button and select Hostinger Website Builder from the list. Here, in order to create your website using the help of Hostinger AI, just fill in your brand name and describe your website here. Then click on Create a Website. You can also create your website in Hostinger Website Builder by using pre-made templates. For this video, I will go with pre-made templates. There are many multiple Hostinger Website Builder website templates. Just click on popular templates, blank templates, landing pages, depending on your goal. For this video, I will go with this simple template. Click on Select a template. After selecting a template, you can also personalize it by describing your website or project, also giving your brand name, or use the original template as it is. I will go with use the original template. And just like that, I've created a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Now to publish this website, just click on this Go Live button. Then View Site. And now you have a Hostinger Website Builder site. Now, as you see, it still uses the temporary domain. To connect your domain to this website, it's simple. You can connect it from here. But since I have a free domain that I didn't claim yet, I will go back to the H panel, then go to Websites, and next to my newly created website, click on these three dots. Select Connect Domain. Now fill in your domain name. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on Next. There is a step that Hostinger didn't ask me for. It depends on your domain name settings. Hostinger didn't ask for my domain name verification because this domain name is already connected to Hostinger. And by connected, I mean that the domain name servers are pointing to Hostinger name servers. If you don't know how to point a domain name to Hostinger, it's simple. Just go to your domain name settings. In my case, this domain name, benstutorial.com, is registered with Hostinger, but not on this account. It's on this different account. So I will log in to where my domain name is registered. Go to Domains. This is the domain name. Click on Manage. What you should look for in your domain settings is something called name servers. Even your domain is registered on a different web domain name provider, for example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Porkban, all domain providers have these name servers settings. So just look for it. As you see, my domain name was pointing to Bluehost, meaning it was connected to a website hosted on Bluehost. Now I will change these name servers to use the Hostinger ones. And these are the name servers that you need to use: ns1.dns-parking.com, ns2, and so on. Write these two name servers and hit save. Now that my domain name is pointing to Hostinger using these two name servers, let's go back to this step and hit continue. As you see, my newly created website started using my domain name. Now let's verify if the connection is completed. Click on this little arrow, and as you see, my new WordPress created on Hostinger website builder started using my domain name. In your case, if your domain is new, or if your domain was connected to a different web hosting provider, here just be patient. Make sure to add your domain correctly on Hostinger website builder, and also to set your domain name servers to these two ones. After doing that, just be patient. Sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes an hour, and it can take up to 48 hours or even 72 hours. But in those late years, domain or name server propagation or domain DNS propagation started to become quick. Now that my domain name is connected well with my new website, let's access the website builder again in order to see how to use Hostinger website builder. Now let's see how to use the Hostinger website builder. It is pretty much simple. Just click on any element you want to edit, like that, and you will see this toolbar or this head or this section background. You will see this toolbar. For example, this element you can place it where you want it to be, just like that. Click on update website, and you will see that your changes are published. Same thing with this white section. You can adjust the section height from here. You can delete an element by clicking on it, then hit this delete icon. You can undo an action from here. You can customize the text by double clicking it. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below. You can customize the text by double clicking it, like that. You can edit the text size. Let's undo this action. You can even delete a section from here. Click on this section like that and hit this delete icon. Let's undo it. You can to create a new section just between 2 sections. Click on add section and select between generating it using AI or creating a blank section like this white one, or create a blog section to display your latest blog post, to create an online store. When you select, for example, online store, you need to pick a template, for example, a single product template or a product list. For blog, you have multiple templates you can select from. You can also create an about section, a services section, product categories, contact form, subscription form, map, a projects section, even a resume, a slideshow, an images section, and so on. And you can also, let's say you've created a blank section. Let's create a blank section. You can start adding elements from here. You can add a big title. You can add a button. You can add for example, a video, and you can start editing those elements. For example, this video, let's say that you want to edit this blank section background. Select this section like that, click on edit section, go to background. You can select between an image or even a video. Let's pick an image, click on add image. You can use these library photos. You can use free images provided by this service called Unsplash. All of those images are free to use, and you can also upload your photo from your computer by clicking on this upload files button. For this video, I will create this or I will use this image, and just like that, I've created a new section. Don't always update your website to publish your changes. Let's check my new section. This is it. Now let's see how to create new pages. Just click on pages and navigation. Here, this is your navigation items that you are seeing here. Shop, sustainability, and so on. And let's say that you want your about page to exist on your website, but don't show it on this navigation section. Just drag and move it like that and place it below, hidden from navigation. Now, and always update, click on update website button to publish your change. Now the about page is existing on your website, but up here, but will not show up here. Let's undo this action. Now the about page returned here. To create a new page, click on this add page button. For example, you can create a new page using AI. You can even create an empty page. You can create a blog page, an online store page, a contact page. Let's create this contact page, click on it. You can customize it as we've seen just before, and your newly created or added page are added to the header here. If you click on update website, you will see that your new page is added or it is published. Now let's see how to create or how to set up a blog on your new website. Just go to more settings and select blog, click on start a blog, and just like that you have a new blog on Hostinger website builder. As you see, it was added here in the header. And to edit your blog posts or add new blog post or to do anything on your blog, click on this new blog icon. You will see all the available blog posts on your website, or yes, on your blog. And you can even create a new blog post by hitting this add new post button. You can use AI to write your newly blog post, or you can write it yourself. Click on I write it myself, and now click on edit header, or not edit header, post settings. You can you can fill in your post title, description, URL, publishing date, and also the authors. For the featured image can be replaced from here, and also the new categories. After that, switch from draft, or before that, adjust this section, double click this text and start writing your text here. You can even delete an element like that or add new elements to your blog post. And don't forget to switch from draft to public before updating your website to publish this new blog post. Now let's see how to set up an online store. Now let's see how to set up an online store in Hostinger website builder. As you see, because I've selected this template, it comes with an online store already created. If you don't see it, just click on these three dots and select online store. If you don't see it on this list, just click on this little shopping cart icon and click on manage store. You can also go to the same manage store area from this corner. Click on manage store. Now name your online store, for example, Ben's store. Click on continue. And just like that, you've created your online store with your name. Or instead of this setup, you can see your orders on your online store from here. You can add, or you can manage your products from this page. Click on add products. You can add a physical product, a digital, a service product, an appointment, donation, and even create a gift card product. You can manage your product reviews from here. You can enable and also manage your appointments from this page. You can create discount codes for your online store buyers. You can manage your online store categories from here. See your online store analytics, and from settings you can edit your store details, for example your store name, regional settings like the currency and the measurement system. You can also, and from the payments page, you can edit your online store location. I always recommend to go with US in order to have more payment methods that you can use. For example, when I use Morocco, I only have PayPal and manual payment. And when I switch to the US, I have the local Go, PayPal, Stripe, and the manual payments. You can connect your PayPal account as a payment gateway to start receiving credit card and also PayPal payments. And from shipping, you can set up shipping to start receiving orders on your online store. And this is how to use Hostinger Website Builder to create a website. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.